They continue to launch that big ball up front, and it pays off.
Yeah, that's where we see now that direct approach, it can be so effective sometimes. I mean, I'm not saying, launch it every time, but little quick play, spot the run. Mhango's always he's always threatening to getting behind. I mean, that's the type of player he is. And yeah, he gets lucky. He gets lucky because why? He's put the effort to make the run. And the liner, unfortunately, the assistant ref thought he was offside, but yeah, we all know the rules are different.
Well, we don't all know the rules, but we will have that conversation here, because if we all knew the rules, the assistant referee would not have lifted his flag, and there wouldn't have been a huge conversation with the referee, Jelly Chavani, coming there, and a big delay as they tried to work out and convince each other that this was not an offside. Why was it overturned from being offside and disallowed as a goal to being allowed?
Let's start off simple. Let's take it step by step. It's not an offense to be in an offside position.
Yes.
Point number one.
So, just the reason you're mentioning that is because Mhango is initially way off when the ball is played. He's in an offside position here.
Yes. So my reason of wanting to break it down, Thomas, is I want the viewers to understand. In that moment, the next point in this is the defender, who is Lunga in this instance, deliberately playing the ball? Yes. The answer is yes.
He's tried to nod it down to his teammate.
Yes. Had the ball been blasted off Lunga, Mhango would be in an offside position because he will not be deliberately playing the ball. So it's two things. It's Mhango, it's not an offense to be in an offside position. It's the defender deliberately playing the ball. The answer is yes. So therefore, that's why in the offside rule, there is also wait and see. So wait and see, it means the refereeing team has to wait and see if the defender is going to deliberately play the ball, which he does. And when he deliberately plays the ball, it's not an offense to be in an offside position. So therefore, because the defenders deliberately played the ball, Mhango can therefore continue to play, and that's why the goal is allowed to stand.
If the defending team player deliberately plays the ball, the player in the offside position is not offside. And there are a lot of things to consider in that situation. You see Jelly Chavani coming around. How much time does the defending player have to control the ball? Was the ball moving very quickly? No. In this stage, it was coming slowly. It was in the air. He had lots of time. Was he stretching or reaching? He didn't have to stretch or reach. And when all those factors are taken into consideration, Lunga had time. There was no pressure. He deliberately plays the ball. And Mhango reacts to a poor attempt to pass to a teammate.
Yeah, you know what, let me just say, we don't waste time in terms of, not disagreeing with referees and ultimately hammering them. Well done to the referee. Turning that decision around, doing the right thing, great officiate.
So, comfortable.